Hi, my name's Sue. Thanks for joining me for another day at the farm. We've just moved the feeder off the little table so that the rats and the mice don't get at it. And these clowns are having a go at trying to get to the seed. They're not supposed to get into that seed. That's not for them. It's for the little finches. Little finches are guys are down on the ground having the scraps that they're knocking out. So I've decided I need to wrap some tie wire around this and to stop these king parrots and other birds, larger birds, getting in, to make it more exclusive for the little guys. So I'm going to have a go at doing this with some tie wire. Yeah, so I want to make this whole area between, this lower portion excluded from them. Yeah. Well, I'm going to have to go a zig this way and then I'll zag. So it's a cross. Yes. Each one's a cross. Yes.
Right, I see what you're
Yeah. Yeah. So I can see Arthur above me there, King Arthur of course, because he's a king parrot, and he's just waiting to come down and check this out. So we'll see if he can get in. So watching this footage back, I've realised he didn't come down at all, but the little finches came in and had a look. So, did it work? I'll just put these bits of plastic in the bottom of the cage so the birds don't come up from below. I've just got, what I'm using is the plastic lid of ice cream lids. So I'm just going to sit those in there underneath the feeder, because the feeder's pretty heavy. It's a metal feeder, and that should, I need to cut that one a bit. That should do the job. That should stop them. Because there's a fair bit of weight in this feeder. They're not going to move that easily. The plastic below. All right. Okay, let's hang it back up and get a little bit of footage and see if we get big birds or little birds. And I haven't seen a king parrot yet, so they might have given up. We'll see.
Challenge. Hey! Anybody see my motorbike around here?
Didn't you go on Daddy's back to come over here?
No.
Grandpa's office, Ty.
Grandpa's office.
Okay. Let's motor.
Oh, where's it gone?
Excuse me. May as well just throw it all over the ground.
Well, there certainly is a certain proportion of the seed that goes on the ground, but that's fine, and that's up for grabs for the people like the king parrots and the top-knot pigeons and the
None of it gets wasted.
yeah. Oh, and the firetails, they like jumping around on the ground too.
Ivy! Got your Christmas cake?
No, it's not.
I think that might be a scrub ring.
I'm mistaken.
Well done.
Hey, see guys, this is why I have to eat food. So this is why here.
Now here's a test. Will he try and get into the cage? That is the question, the burning question that we all want to know. I certainly want to know. Do you want to know?
I'm checking out the beehive.
You are so bold. You are so bold. Aha. So now, can you get in? Can you get to the seed? Or this is... I'm so pleased I'm getting this shot. Can he get in? He's looking around. He's trying to find a spot. He says, hey guys,
What have you done?
what's happened to my feeding station? I used to be able to get in here. Now there's all this wire around it. Haven't seen him put his head through yet. Success. I have won. I have definitely won. Well, that's hugely satisfying. Butterfly on the buddleia.
Oh, yeah, I see.
And still around. He hasn't gone far. Now this is why they call buddleias butterfly bushes, because the butterflies love them. You want me to take that feed off that king parrot and put it in the feeder?
Oh, no, just enjoying it. Let him
He is.
Let him have food.
We have denied him the feed out of the cage.
Yes.
I feel we should let him have that stuff, that feed. So there was a drink bottle and in the shot just in front of the flow hive there, and I just walked in from the other side of the hive to where he's sitting, and he took away the drink bottle, which was right in front of the hive. You know, I'm talking about a foot or two from him, and he didn't fly away. He is so he is very bold, very bold. And we've got yellow-faced honeyeater over here on the.
Come back in a sec.
That's a little girl fairy wren, superb fairy wren, and she, if she's about, the boy might be about. So yes, there's fat cake in the cage.
There he is now. He's up in the tree.
Meanwhile, the kids have been and gone, and Arthur has not moved. Nothing phases Arthur.
I think he got us in.
No, he's not.
Budging from that pen.
He is not going. He's found the source of all goodness, and he is not leaving. So there we had the children going in between Nadia and Arthur completely ignored the whole situation. Completely. And you can see how close I'm just getting you in the corner of the shot, Nadia, to show you how close you're getting to him. And he's not fussed. And the craziness is that the children just went through between the two of you.
Screaming.
Screaming. Yes. Oh, this is so funny. That's all we've got for you today. You might have noticed the elephant in the room, which was the flow hive we got. I will be putting out a video about the flow hive soon. There is a link below for the flow hive, and if you click that, you get $50 off your order with them. And I'll see you in the next video.